Okay, we'll be doing V34. We'll be converting these improper fractions into mixed numbers. The way we do that is take the denominator 4 and divide it into the numerator 15. Okay. 4 cannot go into 1, so the closest thing to 4 times tables to 1 is 0. Next, the closest thing to the closest thing to 15 in the 4 times tables would be 12. So 12 is the closest. The multiplier from 4 to 12 is a 3. So 3 multiplied with 4 gives us 12. Now we subtract and we get 3. So this would be a 3 over 3, and 3 over 4 in that direction. So this is my whole number 3. This is my numerator 3. This is my denominator of 4. Okay. Converting 15 over 2 into a mixed number. 2 here divided into 15. All right. 1, the closest thing to 1 in the 2 times tables is actually 0. There's 0 here. So you get nothing. So the closest thing to 15 in the 2 times tables is 14. So we'll put 14 here. That's the closest we can get. And the multiplier from 2 to 14 is a 7. We'll subtract those and we'll get a 1. So 7, 1 over 2. So that's the direction we're going to head in. 7, 1 over 2. Okay, 8 15ths. We have 8 here and 15ths. The closest in the 8 times tables to 1 is actually a 0. So 0 is the closest we can get. Okay, then the closest to 15 in the 8 times tables is actually 8. That's the closest we can get. Okay, and the multiplier from 8 to 8 is 1. Okay, so we're going to subtract 8 from 15, and that leaves 7. So the numbers will be 1, then 7, then 8. 1, 7 over 8. Next, 15 sevens into a mixed number. 7 here, and 15. Okay, 7 does not go into 1. Well, the closest thing in the 7 times tables to 1 is actually 0. So then we go to 15. The closest thing to 15 in the 7 times tables is 14. 14 is the closest we can get to it. And the multiplier from 7 to 14 is actually 2. Let's subtract, and we'll get 1. So we'll have our 2, 1 over 7. 2, 1, and over 7.